Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, despite the chance of a shower or a thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, I wouldn't call tomorrow a rain day. We could use it. We need some rain. And I think the showers and thunder are going to be few and far between tomorrow afternoon. So only a few spots getting one. So that's kind of the game plan on that right now. In the meantime, the dense fog advisory now through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning for the areas shaded in gray. Now all areas will have fog, but the thickest fog south of Providence and especially along the coastline. Real cool time lapse of downtown Providence that I want to show you. So if you're not looking at the TV, get up and come look at this. Jessica Bradley, our promotions editor, took this time lapse. I'm going to step out of the way, and this is real cool stuff. And this is just the low clouds and the high humidity producing some of these gray skies late in the day. After a decent day, we'll let this play back one more time, and there you go. And this is the result of very high humidity. So thank you, Jess, for that. In the meantime, somewhere down there is EASTON'S Beach in Newport. You can just barely see the utility pole right there. So the fog is thick, and that'll continue overnight into early tomorrow morning. Very mild. Temperatures in the upper 60s to still 70 in Providence, 71 Taunton. So dense fog overnight. Shower chances are there. But there you go, there's nothing widespread. So a couple of isolated ones on Friday, tomorrow afternoon, Friday, and again on Saturday. But I wouldn't call all three of those days rain days, meaning, just raining nonstop everywhere. So, keep the umbrella on standby tomorrow afternoon. You may catch one on, going overhead, but it wouldn't last very long. The warmth continues. Our temperature's not excessive, but they're running above average. Satellite and radar composite showing storms off to our west. This should fizzle out, so by tomorrow morning, not anticipating any rain. Hurricane Center, there's southern New England. That is newly formed Tropical Storm Dolly, top winds of 45. That'll move into the North Atlantic, so not a concern. So we're tracking this blue line off to our west as the cold front, and this may act as a trigger for a few random or isolated showers or thunderstorms coming up for tomorrow afternoon. Getting real close, we'll walk you through it hour by hour. Starting off this evening, all this gray. You saw that time lapse in Providence, the low clouds, the fog, very mild and humid. Now tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. starting off with clouds and fog. It does thin out to at least partial sunshine inland, so that's where your warmest temperatures are in the lower to middle 80s along the coastline in the 70s. Now here comes the cold front. You see the line of showers and thunderstorms out across central Connecticut, but this latest computer guidance has most of it kind of fizzling out as it approaches tomorrow afternoon. So the higher chances north and west of Providence, but even southern areas may see that passing isolated shower. By 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, everything is clearing out. And the lower humidity that Shannon was asking about it's arriving tomorrow night and Thursday, so it's not quite as muggy. Bay forecast obviously has the poor visibility early in the morning on a south breeze at 5 to 10 boaters. Even though the chance is small, watch for the potential for lightning on the bay. Forecast tomorrow morning, clouds and fog, early thinning to hazy sun, 76 by 11 a.m. Partly to mostly cloudy, a little bit of sunshine, warm and muggy, that outside chance of a quick pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Beaches, I think, are pretty cloudy and foggy most of the day, especially during the morning. Our 7-day forecast shows a decent Thursday, just isolated and random both Friday and Sunday as far as showers. And note the warm temperatures continue through the weekend with daytime highs this weekend, Mike and Shannon, in the mid-80s. So we're running several degrees above the norm. We need rain. It's been about almost 12, 13 days without any beneficial rain and only random showers for tomorrow.
Not a good hair day, huh?
Listen, I fixed it, but it was bad for a little while there.
All right. Well, COVID-19